Ellies Boutique New Hampshire is marketed as a charming local fashion boutique with trendy styles and small business personality. But the real question is it actually a real local boutique or another online store using boutique-style branding? Now, to be fair, the website itself looks professionally designed, and the clothing style fits the modern boutique aesthetic many shoppers look for online. What it does well, the branding feels personal. The store leans heavily into the small-town boutique image, which makes the shopping experience feel warmer and more authentic. The clothing style is appealing. The collections focus on trendy casual wear, dresses, layered outfits, and boutique-inspired fashion popular on social media, where it raises concerns. The local boutique identity is hard to verify. This is the biggest issue. There is limited independent evidence confirming Ellies Boutique is a long-established physical New Hampshire boutique with a strong local reputation. The marketing style resembles many dropshipping boutiques. The emotional branding, large discounts, and polished social media aesthetic closely match patterns seen in many e-commerce fashion stores. Product quality may not match photos. One common issue with online boutique stores is that the actual fabric, fit, or stitching quality can look less premium than the advertising images. So, is Ellies Boutique New Hampshire real or fake? Short answer: likely a real operating online store, but not necessarily a verified premium local boutique. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.